Bugungi darsimizda Cambridge 14 Test 4 Passage 1 analizini ko'rib chiqamiz va bu analiz traditsiyaga muvofiq birinchi savoli, keyin keywordlarni topish bilan boshlanadi. Xo'p, birinchi navbatda passageni mavzusini tushunib olishimiz kerak. Bu Secret of Staying Young, ya'ni yosh bo'lishning, yosh qolishning sekretlari, sirlari deb nomlangan ekan va bundan keyin esa savol turlariga qarab olishimiz kerak va o'zingiz ko'rganingizdek 1 dan 8 gacha bu qismda sizda feeling summary, demak bu qismda feelings gap yozishimiz kerak bo'ladi va bu Isabel Geraldo haqida ekan, demak bitta odamni hayoti haqida yozishimiz kerak shekilli. Xo'p, and then in this question type o'zi bilganingizdek savollarga qaragan holda, savollarni keywordlarni tanlagan holda undan keyin javoblarni topishimiz mumkin bo'ladi. Undan keyin esa bizda 9 to 13 true false degan savollar. Demak, ikkalasi ham oson savol, shuning uchun ham tekstni o'qib o'tirish shart emas, faqatgina savolni o'qigan holda javoblarni topib olishimiz mumkin va bu qismda one word only, faqatgina bitta so'z ishlatishimiz kerak. Isabel Geraldo's research focused on a total of different age groups of ants. Demak, bu qismda total of dan keyin umumiy miqdordagi qanaqadir raqam ishlatiladi. Bu raqamni topishimiz kerak bo'ladi va group of ants. Demak, qanaqadir mo'raviy nima edi? Chumoli turlarini topishimiz kerak bo'lar ekan. Chumoli turlari total of, xo'p, topamiz o'sha odamni. Geraldo watched how xo'p, Geraldo bu qismda bor, o'zingiz ko'rganingizdek, such aged defined facts are rare in animal kingdom. Different age groups. Wow. Okay. Behavior and brains. Demak, behavior and brain haqida ma'lumot bor ekan. Demak, bu qismda emas menimcha. Total of four age ranges. O'z ko'rganingizdek, in the lab, worked ants typically lived for around 140 days. Geraldo focused on ants at 4 age ranges: 20 to 22, 45 to 47, 95 to 97, and 120 to 122. O'z ko'rganingizdek, total of 4 different age groups. Demak, javobimiz faqatgina 4 bo'ladi, lekin raqamda yozishingiz mumkin emas, chunki bu qismda word deyishgan, shuning uchun ham 4 deb so'zda yozib qo'yishimiz kerak. Undan keyin esa behavior, how well ants looked after their. Demak, bu qismda o'zining nimasidirga g'amxo'rlik qilish, qanaqa g'amxo'rlik qilganini topishimiz kerak bo'ladi. Look after keyword and how well keyword. O'shani topishimiz kerak. Hop, unlike all previous studies which all names about how old the ants were and from the time how well the ants took care of the young of the colony. Demak, their young javob bo'ladi, yosh demak, bolalari, menimcha o'sha savol bo'ladi, javob bo'ladi young. Qanchalik o'zlarini koloniyasidagi yoshlarni, ya'ni kichkina avlodni g'amxo'rlik qilganligi haqida ma'lumot berilgan ekan. Their ability to locate using a scent trail. Bu qismda scent trail, ya'ni hid taroshkasini ishlatgan holda nimandir locate, raspoznavать qilish yoki locate topish ability qobiliyatini ko'rishgan ekan. Xo'p, topamiz uni ham. Recording how each ant carried and fed them, and she does how ants respond to light and also measured how ants react to live prey. Xo'p, scent trail. Where's scent trail? Find scent trail now. Let's see all audiences. Oh, here. She compared how well a 20-day-old and 95-day-old ants follow the telltale scent that insects usually leave to mark a trail to food. Food bo'lar ekan. Demak, scent trailni ishlatgan holda ovqatni qanaqa qilib topish haqidagi ma'lumot ekan. Food bo'ladi javobimiz. I am regretting now. Xo'p, keyingisi the effect that had on them. Demak, nimanidir ularni ustiga bo'lgan effektini topish kerak ekan. She experimented how ants react to live prey. Javobimiz prey bo'ladi. Demak, preyni, ularga jratvani ularga effektini ko'rgan ekan. Oh, probably. Okay, she tested how ants responded to light. Demak javobimiz xato, prey emas, bu light bo'ladi. O'sha uchun ham light yozib qo'yish kerak ekan buni. So the fact that light, the effect that light had on them. How they attacked prey. How, something adjective bo'lishi kerak. How fast, how slow, how skillfully. But the elderly, she experimented with how ants react to live prey. Teased fruit fly. Expect older ants to perform poorly in all these tasks, but the elderly were all good caretakers and tree followers could track the scent even longer than their young kind. To light well, and the older ants were more active. When it came to reacting to prey, the older ants attacked the poor fruit fly just as aggressively as the young did, flaring their mandibles and pulling at their fly's legs. Aggressively. How aggressively they attacked prey? Ya'ni o'ljasiga, жертвasiga qanaqa aggressivni napadать qilganini ko'rishganini, okay, ko'rmoqchi bo'lgan ekan. Aggressively demak javobimiz bo'ladi. Aggressively. Keyingisiga o'tamiz. Brain. Demak, mana bu rangdan zerikdim. Keyingisiga o'ta olamiz. Aggressively keyword. Hop. Brains. Comparison between age and the of dying cells in the brains of ants. Demak, bunda miyasidagi o'layotgan sel kletkalarni age va nimasidarini topish kerak ekan. O'sha kletkalarni topish kerak. Topdim. Any cells were close to death. We saw no major difference with age. Hop. No major difference. Demak, yoshda farqi yo'q. Nor was there any difference in the location of the dying cell. Demak, o'qisunda age and the location bo'lar ekan javobimiz. Location of the cell. Location of the cell. Next one. Condition of synaptic complexes, areas in which something meet in the brain's mushroom bodies. Demak, mushroom keyword bo'ladi u yerda. In which something meet. Nimalardir uchrashar ekan. Topdik. Okay, she saw no major difference. Okay, showing that age didn't seem to affect specific brain functions, and on other insects have structured in their brain cells, which are important for processing information, learning, and memory. She wanted to see if aging affects the density of synaptic complexes within these structures. Regions where neurons came together. Demak, o'qisunda areas, region keyword, and where, in which keyword, neurons came together. Meet, came together synonym. Demak, javobimiz neurons bo'ladi. Neurons deb yozib qo'yamiz. Neurons came together. Keyingi savol. A level of 2 in the brain associated with aging. Hop. Aging ya'ni yosh. Hop. Stareniga aloqador bo'lgan brain, mozgdagi level of 2 something, 2 factors, whatever it is. We'll find. What was more, the old ants didn't experience any drop in the levels of either serotonin and dopamine. I found it. Brain chemicals. Demak, javobimiz level of 2 chemicals bo'ladi. Chemicals. Demak, bu qism tugadi. One word only filling the gap tugadi. Undan keyin esa true false degan savollarga qarashimiz kerak. Rangini o'zgartira olamiz true false deganga qarash uchun. Shoe light. Hop. Phyllodial dentala ants are only known animals which remain active for almost their whole lives. Buni topish kerak. Demak, javobimiz shu qismda bo'lishi ehtimoli juda ham katta, chunki o'zingiz ko'rganingizdek, passajlarda javoblar qanaqa keladi? Passajlarda javoblar asosan o'zining tartibida keladi. Masalan, 1 dan 8 gacha bo'lgan savollar boshroqda keladigan bo'lsa, 9 dan 13 gacha bo'lgan savollar oxirroqda keladi. Bu lekin doim emas, o'shanga e'tibor berishingiz kerak bo'ladi. Phyllodial dentata ants are only known animals which remain active for almost their whole lives. Demak, o'qisunda only known keyword bo'ladi. Shuning uchun ham yozib qo'ydik. Looked at some similar aspects in bees. The result of anyone looked at both behavior, neural changes in these ants thoroughly. Who recently published something. Looked at a similar Some similar aspects in bees, but result of the recent bee studies were examined. Some studies show atrial declines, which was called senescence, and others didn't. For now, the study raises more questions than it answers, including how stays in good shape. Demek bo'lganda, o'zingiz ko'rganingizdek, faqatgina emas, bee haqida ham gapirishgan, asalarilarni ham ko'rishgan, shuning uchun ham bu qism false bo'lsa kerak. Yana bilmadim. Maybe it's wrong, maybe it's right. I don't know, guys. Don't judge me if it's wrong. Yasser Isabel was the first person to study using precise data about the insect's age. Demak, o'qishda birinchi odam edi degan javobni topishimiz kerak. Maybe it's like before this. I don't know. But only the first person dedi. Bu like less probable da, вероятности ehtimolligi juda ham kichkina bo'lgani uchun ham buni false deb ketishi mumkin. Lekin unaqa qilmaymiz. Hammasini topishimiz kerak. She behaved as she had predicted. Recent studies of bees use different methods of measuring atrial decline. Use different methods of atrial decline. Ants kept in laboratory conditions tend to live longer. Demak, laboratoriya conditionlarda saqlanganlari ko'proq yashar ekan. Buni topishimiz kerak endi. If the ants don't deteriorate with age, why do they die at all? In our wild, the ants probably don't live for full. Thanks to predators, disease just being in a that's harsher than the comfort of that's harsher than the comforts of the lab. Demak, bo'lganda laboratoriyada komfortlardan harsher environmentda yashaganlik sababli bo'lar ekan. Demak, bo'lganda laboratoriyada ko'proq yashar ekan. Demak, true bo'ladi bu. Xo'p, 12, 11 bular tartibda kelganini hisobga olgan holda shuni analiz qilishimiz mumkinki 10, 11, 12 demak oldinroqda bo'ladi. Demak, 9 ham xato topibman masalan. Menimcha. Chunki bu yerda B bor edi. Recent studies different methods topamiz different methodni endi. No information about different methods. Not given. Predict. Geraldo predict degan javob topishimiz kerak endi. Such rare in animal kingdom, naked mole rats can live for almost 30 years. Stay fit for nearly entire lives. They can still reproduce even. Demak, to'g'ri ekan bu 9-dagisi. Demak, biza precise data birinchi odamligini, behaveligini topishimiz kerak. Yeah, no information about first person. Predict degan javob topish kerak. You tired? You ate? Hello? You ate? No. Good. Qisqasi topolmadim. First personligini bilmayman. True, not given olaman. Men buni taxmin olaman. True bo'lishi mumkin masalan. False qilaman masalan. True qilaman. Doesn't matter. I'm tired, guys. That's it. That's all. Forget about it. I don't want to do it anymore. And that's it. I'll just guess and move on. Okay? That's it. Bye-bye, guys. See you in the next live.